Best Way Upholstery presents 1980 Rolls Royce Silver Wraith II. Custom interior restoration. The Rolls Royce factory has built only 2,135 cars like this since 1977 until 1980. The Silver Wraith II has exclusive signature features: elegant roof treatment in Everflex, smaller opera-style rear window, unique wheel discs. The factory Rolls Royce interior has creamy leather upholstery with red piping, and the same style of carpet. It's not in bad condition, but the customer wants to change color of interior to black. Also, this car has some problems with the headliner. There are some bubbles, cause roof starts leaking. So, we have started to take out old headliner. We have taken apart two handles, roof lights and side trim panels. Furthermore, we took apart rear seats. The customer wanted luxury suede headliner. Consequently, we were going for it. Next step, take apart dashboard and wood panels. This is one of the most difficult things, because there's a lot of electronics. Then we prepared it to cover with new leather. We have been using only high-quality leather. In the same way, we have taken apart main console. Then we have covered it with black leather. In addition to door panels restoration, we have installed new stereo system. Next step was preparing door panels to restoration. We have made new pockets and handles, recovered all door parts with black leather. As a result, we started to install them. While one part of our team have been working with door panels, second one was preparing seats. At first, we have done rear seat. Then, we were started working with front seats. Our company are doing wide types of interior restoration, but one of the most important kind of works is Rolls Royce interior restoration. The following step was setting back all parts that we were restored. Also, we have installed new black carpet. Moreover, we have installed back, front and rear seats, dashboard and main console. Lastly, we have replaced trunk carpet for black one. Finally, we almost done. This Rolls Royce got unique luxury interior with black leather upholstery and suede headliner. The restored dashboard looks like new. Job well done. The main console was professionally covered by black leather and looked nice either. We have used only high-quality Italian leather for this car. We have been using special material for clean up all chromes. The high-quality black carpet looks pretty cool. The Rolls Royce Silver Wraith II looks gorgeous with custom black interior. This project has taken a lot of efforts, but we done it well. It was pleasure to work with car like this. We have done full interior restoration, but the customer wanted to replace vinyl roof, cause it starts leaking. So, we were going for it. We covered whole car by foams and plastic to save the paint. Then, we removed old top and started to install new one. To install vinyl top right, you have to take out windshield. So, when we finished we put it back. The vinyl top installation almost finished. After our works, new vinyl top for Rolls Royce looks in the same way like a whole car, fantastic and gorgeous. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions please call 310-435-8417. We're located in Los Angeles, California.